Fiery Furnace Trailhead. This is the power gang right here. Hamrock. It's over there in the distance. Fiery Furnace, we're gonna go backwards from the suggested route, which means head off to the left instead of to the right. Fun, huh? There's everything down everywhere. Part of the fun. And lost down there. To Surprise Arch is here where the dead end ahead sign is. Probably 8 or 10 feet. There's a good spot where there's enough curvature in the wall to just sort of bum scoot and help yourself up. It was an adventure getting up there. I forgot to film it, which is a shame. I almost didn't make it. Devin was going to save me though. All right, here I'm going to head up. Let me get off this side. Yeah, that's the spot, Adam. Yeah. There you have it, Surprise Arch. Back to the stairs here, but that's not the way we want to go. Facing it backwards going. Not on the tour. We didn't make it to the end. We never would have guessed that that's the way that you go. Back to there. So like we wandered up there, didn't find it. Eventually, I was a little kid. Eventually my dad had he could see Hamrock. He had his orientation. So we came down here. I have vivid memories of being terrified as a kid going down there. Because it's that very leftmost crack. It's like, it's not obvious that that's where you'd go, right? So go around to the left here. This is off tour technically, but it's an arch, it's worth seeing.
just love how they bridge it. Like somebody in time or something. I feel like how much is natural? Like this before you.
Not much is man-made though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is so interesting.
it's almost all natural.
It's like it was made to be walked.
Uh-huh, it was made to be played in. A little farther than I wanted it to be. That's great. It goes through. Ah, here we are again. Okay. All right. This way, Devin. You want to lead us around?
Sure.
Hug that. So many possibilities from here. Uh-huh. That landmark there, that's an arch. It's called the Kissing Turtles. How scary of a cliff. But not too bad. Inside Kissing Turtles. What's that?
You might be able to get down here.
Maybe. Careful, don't fall. Kissing Turtles. We head back to the left here. Oh yeah, that's right here. There's this very deep hole. A legend that I heard like when I was a kid going through this, that the guide, the ranger guide, got disoriented, didn't know where they were, came to this spot and was having the tour jump across that broken arch there because they didn't see the way through, which is right there. That's frozen pretty good, isn't it?
They took my car, they took my phone, they took my skin, and now they take my bones.
That was about its limit.
You gotta creep, you gotta crawl. Whoa, you gotta fall.
That one's called Skull Arch.
They'll sniff you out, they'll hunt you down, they'll make you cry and chase you around the town. But that's what friends are for. But that's what friends are for.
Poison ivy right there all over that whole bank. All of those.
Just plastic there.
Yeah.
You can't give in, can't take a break, can't give your life, 'cause that's not all they'll take. Hey! Oh, but that's what friends are for. But that's what friends are for. You got got.
So cool. Oh,
You're bleeding
blue.
out. It's on your shirt. You were alive, but now
Yeah.
you're in the dirt. But that's what friends are for. But that's what friends are for. Run, 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 run away. Run, 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 run away. Hey! Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo,
That light.
where are
That's what we came here to see. There's another arch there. You can crawl through and then squeeze back and then figure out. where we ended. We found a legitimate trail for at least the last 100 yards.